Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be learning how to install SQLite on Windows and run basic database queries. We'll cover how to install SQLite on Windows, how to create a database, basic SQL commands like select, insert and delete. This tutorial is beginner friendly, so even if you are new to databases, don't worry. Let's get started. First, we need to download SQLite. Open your web browser, search in Google for SQLite, and go to SQLite.org. Click on the download button as shown. Scroll down to the section precompiled binaries for Windows, and click on the SQLitetools.zip file to download it. Once downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, extract the zip file, and copy SQLite3.x to a working folder, say C:\\SQLite. Now, let's make sure our system can recognize SQLite from the command line. Open the command prompt by pressing Win+R, typing cmd, and hitting enter. Navigate to the SQLite folder by entering the cd command as shown in the screenshot. Next, enter the SQLite3 command to open SQLite. If you see an output with a SQLite prompt, that means SQLite is successfully installed. To exit the SQLite prompt, enter the quit command as shown in the screenshot. Now, let's create our first SQLite database. In the command prompt, enter the command as shown in the screenshot. This creates a new database file and opens the SQLite shell. Now, let's create a table. We will create a students table with 3 columns: ID, name, and age. At the SQLite prompt, enter the create table command as shown in the screenshot. Our table is now ready. Now, let's add a record to our table. Run the insert command as shown in the screenshot. We have successfully inserted a record. To view the records in our table, use the select command as shown in the screenshot. This will display all students in our database. To delete a student from the table, enter the command as shown in the screenshot. The record has been deleted. To verify this, run another select command, and you will see no records displayed. On the file system level, you can also see that the database file has been created in the working folder. That's it. We have successfully installed SQLite on Windows and learned the basic SQL queries. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you next time.